So hi again. Now we will begin to draw the samples from the file drawings number 7 PDF. Let's open this document. As you can see, there is like two samples, two details like we need to draw. So let's start from the first one. As you can see, it's quite complicated. We need to calculate some dimensions and think about how to draw this kind of complicated curvy lines and these lines. But as you can see, there is some hints how to build this and this size. So we will do these hints, we will use these hints, and we will get the results. So let's get started. So let's put first of all the main size here. As you can see, this is 30 plus 16, it will be 46. The biggest one is here is 48. Let's use like 50, like 60. Okay. First of all, I want to put 60. I want to use auto mode. Now I'm using this one. No, sorry. Okay, 60 millimeters. Done. So let's put it in comfortable place here. Now we can put our sample file to left side our workspace. I hope you all know how to do this operation. Done. Okay, now I want to start with the left side of our detail, the first detail. So as you can see, we need to draw the small circle and then this semicircle. Like we will draw big full circle and then trim extra lines. As you can see, the dimension of this circle is like 8 millimeters. Diameter is 8 millimeters. There is two similar circles that we need to draw. First of all, we will start from this side. Okay, let's get started. I'm using tool circle. So diameter is 6, so radius will be 3. Then, so the radius of this like imaginary big circle is 10 millimeters. Let's build this one also. Okay, 10 millimeters radius. So let's put center mark in our circles. So done. So I want to extend some lines of our center mark to make our next actions a little bit easier. So what will we do now? I want to increase the left side our center mark to right side, maybe 70 millimeters more. So done. And the bottom side of our center mark also we will do the same action, 70 millimeters. Done. So now we need to build the left side of right side of our detail, this side. So as you can see, we need to find the center of this circle. So first of all, as you can see, the center mark of this place is situated in 40 millimeters far from this center, and then we need to go up 16 millimeters. So first of all, I want to find this point, the connection of these center marks. So what I want to do now, I want to draw only a simple line, and then I will change the type of style of this line. How? So I want to build this line far from the center of this circle, the like 40 millimeters from as like this. So let's do this. So we will use our simple hint, temporal drag point. So control right click of our mouse like this. So let's put starting point, and we need to go right. So we need to put 40 millimeters. Done. Sorry, we made mistake. Let's do this again. Center line, temporary drag point. This side we need to go right, and we need to put 40 millimeters. Done. Now we will build perpendicular line to our horizontal line. Let's put the size maybe 40 millimeters like this. So we need to increase this line to downside. Let's put this also until here. So we will put here like 80 millimeters. Done. As you can see, we finished building our center line. We need to change type of this line as a center like this. Done. And then to find this point, the center of this circle, we need to go up 16 millimeters from this line. So here is also I want to use temporal drag point hint here, but here I want to use circle tool, and then I want to choose temporal drag point, starting point. We need to go up, so we are going up. So the distance is so here is two centers. The center of bigger circle is situated in 16 millimeters, and the center of small circle is situated 16 minus 3 millimeters. First of all, we need to build like bigger one, so I will put 16 millimeters. And now I need to draw the bigger circle, which is radius is 10 millimeters. Now I want to build the smaller one. So again this hint, temporal drag point, let's start from here, center of this, and then we need to go down, which is 3 millimeters. Done. So as you can see, no, I think we made a mistake. Let's do it again. Temporary drag point from here, we need to go down only 3 millimeters. Done. From here, the diameter of our circle is 6, so radius will be 3. Done. We finished. So first of all, let's build this line here, this complicated line. So to build this line, to draw this line, there's a hint, use circle TTR, the tangent radius, then trim the extra I don't know, let's check this word here. They say extra bits, maybe extra lines like this. So let's do this. First of all, we will choose the tool 10 radius. From here I want to choose again. So and then I will choose necessary space of our circles, this side and this side, as you can see. So I need to put radius is here 15. Done. So the second operation is using trim tool, we need to delete extra lines like this. Done. And then here also, as you can see, we need to put some center marks. We will put center mark for this circle a little bit later, after building another part of our detail. So what I want to do, I want to continue drawing our detail like this. I want to choose this side and going down 46 millimeters. Why? Here's the distance 30 and 16. So if we calculate it, the distance will be 46 millimeters done. And then we need to draw this side of our detail. In this case, the radius of this line is 10. I think start point. Okay, I think the center of this point is here, which is located 30 millimeters far from this connection of two circle lines. Let's build it. So what I want to do, I want to build circle, simple circle with center radius. So with temporal track point hint, starting point from here, and then I need to go down 30 millimeters. Done. I want to build here the circle, which is radius is 10 millimeters. Done. As you can see, this line and this circle connected smoothly, which means we did right action. So what I want to do here, so as you can see, we can use this hint in here also to connect these circles. So let's do this. In this case, as you can see, if you want to build the field, this line here, this line is, how can I say, inside, inner field. We need to build here like outer field. In this case, we will choose 10 radius tool. So if we want to build outer field, we need to choose the 10 from here, tangent, and then I think from here, and then we need to put radius, amount of radius. Let's do this. I want to choose first here, and then from here, from another circle, and it asks us to put the size of radius, so which is 48 millimeters. Done. As you can see, we finished our action. So trim tool, using trim tool, we will delete extra lines. Okay, finished. I think we can delete the extra lines from here also, which is not necessary for us. Done. Look carefully these kind of mistakes like extra lines. You can see this kind of stuff when you zoom in your drawing. Sometimes I made this kind of mistake, so I want to check this side also. Done. So we need to build this part of our detail. First of all, I want to build these like lines, these perpendicular lines. As you can see, the distance is 5 millimeter far from this connection of two center lines. 5 millimeter for vertical and 5 millimeter for horizontal. So let's do this. First of all, I want to build here the square rectangle here, which is 5 millimeters. Tap 5 millimeters. Done. As you can see, this point will be starting of our figure. So I want to go down 25 millimeters. As you can see, this place is 30 millimeters, so we need to reduce it by 5 millimeters. It will be 25 millimeters. But in this horizontal line, I don't want to put any dimension or size. Just I want to draw it until connection of this in this part. So let's do this. First of all, the vertical line to down, which is 25 millimeters, and then another one to horizontal line. Let's build it until here. Done. Which is so. To build this line, it says us to use offset tool with size like 10 millimeters. as you can, this is offset tool of our AutoCAD software, so we will use this one. So how we will use this one? So actually, if we choose this tool in command side of our software, it says what to do. It says specify offset distance. So our distance is 10 millimeters. Done. And now after pressing enter, it says select object to offset, or so our object is here, this one. We will select it. Done. So we need to move our mouse to right upside to build our offset in our necessary place. Done. So as you can see, we finished building this line, so we need to trim extra unnecessary lines like this, one by one. Maybe this part also. No, we can delete these extra lines also. We already used this place. This is this side. Yeah. This side. Oh, sorry. Let's do this again. Why it's not? We can. As you can see, it's not connected. So if we use trim, it's deleting whole line. So we need to connect this place. Now I made a mistake. So let's build another line from here, which is connecting. So here, the some of our spans is not helping to find our right point. So what I will do is, I will choose this one, and then I will go down until here, just like this. And then, as you can see, these lines are connected, so I will use trim tool like this, so it finished. And then this side also done. So we can delete this extra square. No, not this one, this square. Done. So now, with using like fillet tool, we can build these radiuses, which is 3, 3, 5. First of all, we need to use radius and 3. The radius is 3 millimeters, like this. And then for this side also. For left side, we need to put the radius 5 millimeters, like this. Done. So for the decoration of this detail, we need to decrease the center lines a little bit, like this. Let's put it like 5. So let's decorate it like this. Let's decrease it. This one also. If you want to decrease more, you can decrease it. So if you want to change to put this dimension, we need to put the center mark to this place. We annotate like this. Then you can put this size also here, this dimension. So for the calculation, you can choose all the center marks, and then you can change color of this line like this if you want, of course. So as you can see, we finished drawing this our first detail, putting dimensions and unnecessary sizes is assignment for you. Thank you for your attention.